In this video, we'll demonstrate how to build agents that can use other agents as embedded instances. This approach allows you to create robust flows and expand functionality without added complexity. We'll start by building the agent that will later be embedded. Let's name it Helper Agent. Begin by selecting the following components: a multimodal agent, a model, a basic prompt, a calculator tool, a log output tool, an input and output for the embedded flow, and a trigger to test everything. Drag each component onto the canvas, then click Save before moving on. In this example, the embedded agent will perform a simple task, adding 2 to any incoming number. Let's configure the components for this example. Set up the trigger with a value of 6. Instruct the agent to always add 2 to the input. Set the multimodal agent to accept tools. Connect the OpenEye model using your API key. Link the input and output for the embedded flow, and connect all components as shown on screen. Run a quick test. If everything works, the log output should display the number 8. Perfect. Now that it's working, we'll export this agent as a component to reuse in other instances. To export, click the gear icon in the top bar and select Export this instance as a component. With the component saved, we'll now create our main agent that uses this helper. Create a new instance and name it Main Agent. For this setup, we'll need a trigger, OpenEye model, multimodal agent, the use tool, a log output, and our newly exported custom component found under Custom. Add each component to the canvas and click Save. Next, we'll connect everything and configure basic settings. In the trigger, enter a command, for example. Add to the number 10. For the custom tool, provide a name and description so the agent understands its purpose. In our case, we will name it Add Number and give it a description that will serve as a guide for any agent on how to use this tool. In the multi-agent setup, add instructions indicating that it can use this tool when addition is required. This will reinforce the concept of using other tools to complete a task. Now, let's test the full flow. When we run it, the response is 12, which confirms that the helper agent was successfully used. And that's it. You've just created a modular, reusable agent setup using embedded components